Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Katina Lee and we are talking taxes. Like I promised you all, we will be talking about taxes. Yep, that's right. Tax talk. It's that time. It is officially tax season, okay? I know some people are trying to hurry up and get their taxes in, and there's some people that like to wait till April 15th. Whatever you choose, I know you have some questions. If you don't, just listen. It might be something that can help you. The top reasons why people have to pay back taxes. Nobody ever wants to pay taxes, but we really don't want to have to owe back taxes. And if you do, there could be a few reasons why, and I'm just going to address a few of those reasons. One reason you might have to pay back taxes is that you did not complete your W-4 form. The W-4 form. This form is very important. When you get hired with the company, they're going to give this information to you to complete. This is going to determine how much taxes you want withheld from your paycheck every time you get paid. If you recently been married, if you recently had children, update your form, because this is going to either help you save money by giving you credits and deductions throughout the year, or what's going to happen is if you've recently been married and you've been getting paid a certain amount, or if you've been in a certain tax bracket, now you and your spouse's combined income makes it a higher tax bracket. This is going to affect you because now you have to pay more back in tax. The reason why you may have to pay back taxes is you may have chose to be exempt for your federal or your state. Now, some people forget that they do this at some point during the year, and eventually, when it's time to do your taxes, they realize, oh my gosh, I forgot to change that, or oh my gosh, I have to pay back all these taxes. Yes, if you choose to go exempt, that means you are withholding federal or state taxes from your paycheck every time you get paid. It's okay if you choose to do exempt, but just don't forget to switch it back at some point during the year. If you received unemployment benefits during the year and you haven't opted in to have those federal taxes or state taxes taken out, you're going to have to pay back taxes on the income you received. This one is for my self-employed individuals, like most of us out here in the US. If you haven't been paying quarterly taxes, you're going to have to pay back taxes. So that could be a reason why you owe taxes. My advice to you would be every month, go through your income, go through your expenses, and set aside a percentage just for your taxes. Even if you don't do quarterly tax payments, if you decide to wait until April 15th to pay your taxes, or October 15th if you choose to do the extension to do your taxes, still put something to the side so it's not a big surprise at the end of the year, because we have to pay taxes, right? It's just something we have to do. If you withdrew money from your 401k before your retirement year, and you didn't choose to have federal taxes withdrawn from the money that you received, you're going to have to pay taxes on that, on top of a 10% penalty for withdrawing money from your 401k. So don't forget that. Don't be surprised. They will hit you with a bill. Trust me. To my gamblers out there, if you gamble from playing lottery, if you gamble from doing scratch offs, if you do slots, if you play prize picks or DraftKings, any money that you've won, you're going to have to pay taxes on. Another reason, if you sold any stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrency, those earnings, if it's a gain, you're going to have to pay taxes on. Again, if it's a gain, you're going to have to pay taxes on that. It's hard out here. It's hard out here. I know everybody hates paying taxes. Trust me, I'm one of those. Yes, I do taxes, but I still have to pay taxes, okay? I don't get a pass because I do taxes, and no, it doesn't work like that. Everybody in the US, if you've made a certain amount of income during the year, if you're a resident, non resident, resident alien, you have to pay taxes, okay? It's just one of those things. They need the money in the country, they need the money in the state that you live in to pay for infrastructure, highways, emergency workers, schools, for them to have books and things like that. So there are reasons why we have to pay taxes. It's just one of those things, okay? Unless you a baby or really old and can't work or provide for yourself, then you might be all right. And don't cheat on your taxes, don't lie on your taxes, because the IRS will find out. And you don't want them coming for you. I'm telling you. If they come for you this year, next year, the year after that, they have the option to. So it will catch up to you. Just be honest on your taxes. Don't be upset with the tax preparers because they didn't get you $5,000 back on your refund. It doesn't work like that. Everybody is liable for paying a tax bill. You either overpay your tax bill or you underpay your tax bill. It's either one or the other, which means you're getting a refund or you're paying back taxes. It's just how it goes. Or you might have expenses from your business enough to just flush everything out. Your tax liability is covered, and now you don't have to pay anything back. But you may want to be careful with that also, because when you go to apply for a home, the mortgage companies want to know, if you are a business owner, how did you sustain your business if you had such a loss? And how will you be able to sustain this home if your business isn't making any income? So make it make sense. Don't write off everything and then have yourself upside down. And then when you try to get a home or something that comes back, and then you have to answer for those questions. So just a little tip, and I can go into details about that in another video, okay? But that's just a little heads up. These are the things that I can provide. If you have any additional things that you want to know, feel free to reach out. Send me a comment, send me a note, send me an email. I'm here, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notifications icon so you can stay up to date with the content that I will be putting out. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.